If you're seeing a Lightroom login error in Lightroom Classic, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is one of the most common issues Adobe users run into, and the good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Lightroom and Creative Cloud from verifying your account properly. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working normally, and if you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Adobe services can sometimes block sign-in requests when a VPN is active, so this is an important first step. Next, open the Creative Cloud desktop app and sign out of your Adobe account. To do that, click your profile icon, then choose Sign Out. After that, completely close Creative Cloud and reopen it. Now sign back in using the same Adobe account connected to Lightroom. This refreshes the login session and often clears temporary authentication errors. If the issue is still there, the next step is to update Creative Cloud and Lightroom. Open Creative Cloud again and check for updates. Install any available update for both Creative Cloud and Lightroom Classic. Outdated versions can create login conflicts, so keeping both apps current is a simple but very effective fix. Now let's move on to a deeper fix by clearing the Adobe cache. First, close all Adobe apps completely. Then, open File Explorer and go to this path. C:\local/users/appdata/local/Adobe/OOBE. Inside that folder, delete the OOBE folder. This removes corrupted login files that may be causing the error. Once that is done, reopen Creative Cloud and sign in again. After signing in, launch Lightroom Classic and check whether the login error is gone. In many cases, one of these steps will fix it right away. If not, go back and make sure you completed each step carefully, especially the cache removal and account sign-in refresh. If this tutorial helped you fix your Lightroom login problem, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.